How to restore deleted posts from Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can restore your deleted posts from Instagram. So for that, first of all, open your Instagram. Just click on your profile icon on the bottom right. After coming to your profile, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right, these three, and click on that. Now your settings and activity will open. Now here you'll have to select this option, your activity, and click on that. After that, scroll down and you'll be able to see this option, recently deleted. After you come to recently deleted, there will be all the posts that you deleted. You can just click on the post and click on these three dots at the right and click on either restore, save, or delete. You can also scan the QR code, making it easy for your friend to reach out to you. Apart from posts, you can also recover your reels and you can also recover your deleted stories. So that was how you can recover your deleted posts from Instagram.